My name is Weza and I post on this channel on Wednesdays. Welcome back to Wednesdays with Weza, and this segment is cooking with Weza. This is kind of like a new series I want to add onto my YouTube channel where I basically cook anything and everything for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys different recipes, and basically you're just going to be cooking with me whilst I just talk about anything and everything. And yes, I am using a whisk as a microphone because I just got a new phone and my microphone that I usually use isn't compatible with my new phone. So the whisk is the new thing. Yes, today we are going to be making cinnamon rolls. Now, if you have a sweet tooth just like me, this is basically the perfect recipe for you. I have made these like a few times now, so I feel like I'm an expert and I can give you guys exactly the best. Literally, this is like the best recipe to make cinnamon rolls. I want to make cinnamon rolls today. This will take you like maybe an hour to make. Guys, it did not take 1 hour, it took 3 hours, but it's a good recipe, so watch till the end. Want to make them, keep watching, and yeah, let's get into it. Since we're going to be chefing it up in the kitchen, we need to get our apron.
Few moments later.
There you go. We're professionals, so we have to wear our aprons. Come on now, come on guys, let's get into it. Let's chef it up. Let's chef it up. Let's go. This is what you need. You need a bowl. You need some butter. You need some flour, some yeast, 2 eggs, cinnamon. That is all you will need, so let's get to cooking. So the first step into making the cinnamon rolls is that you will need some flour. You will need a lot of plain flour, like 9 cups of it. But what I like to do is like separate the cups of flour. So we'll first put 4 cups of flour and then we'll put the other cups of flour when we need to, and I'll show you when. If you run out of plain flour, just get some more. You need to add 1 cup of sugar. This is the sugar. 1 cup of flour into the bowl. We need yeast. Yeast is very important. So we need 2 packets of yeast. Oh my god. Now we whisk. So we're making sure with the whisk that we're mixing all the ingredients together. My spoon is now going to be my mic because my whisk is here, but yeah. I forgot to mention that you need water as well. You need hot water for this. So what you need to do with the hot water, pour it in. So you have your hot water, and with a spoon, add some butter into the hot water. This is so that it can melt in, and you need the water and the butter to be mixed together, just like this, because you're then gonna add it into the dry mixture. In terms of the butter, you need about 6 tablespoons of butter. So I've already put 3 in. So then we'll pour it in. And then we'll do another cup of water and add another 3 tablespoons of butter. Use a teacup or a measuring jug that can withstand the hot water. I don't have a measuring jug, so this is why I'm using a teacup. It works either way, so yeah. And mix. As well as a whisk, you can use a wooden spoon. I like using a whisk first and then using a wooden spoon. So you need your 2 eggs that I showed you guys. Add your eggs. Whisk. I should be talking, shouldn't I? Sorry, I should be talking. Oh my gosh. So guys, I'm so sorry. I'm just so quiet. Uni was good. I have finished first year. So I finally finished first year and now I'm in summer. And if you haven't already, watch my summer vlog, which will be here. It is fun. It is me trying to get back to Leeds and basically just trying to build healthy habits. So if you're interested in that, just click that link video right here. It's been fun so far during the summer. Like I've just been chilling, reading, and you may see some exciting videos coming up as well. If you haven't already seen my last video that I posted, I think it's a cute one. It's like a little, I don't know, like a little film thing, because I want to do different videos as well and not just kind of the same videos like vlogs and stuff. So yeah, again, if you're interested, click here to see that video. So your mixture should be some sort of like thin consistency, but we don't want it like this. We want it to be a dough basically. So remember when I said you need like 9 cups of flour? Well, we're gonna add the extra 5 cups that we were missing. I did 4 cups right at the beginning, but we're gonna add 5. But we're gonna do it in steps. So you are going to add the flour step by step. So we'll add the first one, then you mix, then you see, okay, is it dough-like? It won't be at this point. And then you keep on adding the flour, so step by step. But do take your time with this, honestly, because you want it to be like a really nice dough consistency. You don't want to rush it. You don't need anybody for this, okay? You can do this yourself, okay? And that's all, period. Okay, it's starting to get there, so you can see that. And if I show you guys, it's like it's there but it's not there kind of thing. You have to have a lot of patience, because if it's not turning out to be dough like, then you might start crying. I promise you won't cry. Oh shit. Okay, you might cry because I literally, look what I did, guys, I broke it. No, that is not good. And my mom might be watching this video. Hi, Mai. Handle your products with care. That's the first thing. Handle your ingredients with care. Because apparently, I don't know how to handle anything. Why am I cooking? Why am I doing this? I think we are in dough consistency land. That's the best way to explain it. You need to knead the dough, so that's really important. Keep kneading the dough, and once you finish kneading your dough, you need to let the dough rise. It should be looking like this. You kneaded your dough, you're gonna let it rise. Get some cling film around the bowl and let it rise for like an
Hour later.
It's been an hour and the dough has risen, guys, so I should do like a before and after. So this is the after, and I'll somehow put a before, but yes, it has risen. Put some flour onto your work base, and then this is the fun part. So you get to put some flour in here. Take it out. Okay. So we're ready to knead our dough. It's very dough-like, and this is what you want. You want it to be very big so you can roll it out and put in basically what makes a cinnamon roll a cinnamon roll. Okay. Now we are going to put some flour onto the rolling pin, just like so. And then we're gonna roll it out. So I have rolled out my dough, and I don't think you guys are ready for this, but look at that. I'm not tall enough, but this is how it looks. It's insane, but that's how it looks. So this is what you kind of need. If you want it a bit thicker, then don't roll it out the way I did. But I don't. I want it. I want the dough to be thin, so I can just roll it up. What you need is your butter. With a bit of butter, spread the butter all over the dough. Make sure the butter is everywhere. You don't need to put too much, but make sure that you cover basically all of the dough. Now, once you've covered all the butter onto the dough, next you need to use your cinnamon, and you need to use your sugar. What you can do is to put some sugar in here and some cinnamon and then mix it up together and then kind of just throw the cinnamon and sugar across the dough. And that would be easier because then you've got like an equal amount of both sugar and cinnamon onto the dough instead of just kind of throwing the cinnamon and throwing the sugar. And make sure that you have enough cinnamon and sugar to spread across the dough. Okay. You want it to be all around the dough. And then spread it with your hands just like so. Now we got to roll this. Now you're gonna have to roll really, really carefully. Now it's time to cut this into pieces, just like how it looks like as a cinnamon roll. So I've already prepared a tray with parchment paper, which we'll put our cinnamon rolls onto. And since this is quite, yeah, it's a lot, I didn't expect it to be a lot. So I've got another tray just in case, which is actually just here, just in case I need to. This is the second batch. They look so cute. So yeah, put them on the side. So don't actually put them like this. You didn't even see that. Like that. Put them like this. So to allow them to grow. And give them a little bit of space to, again, allow them to grow. And that's it, pretty much. So I'm gonna pop these into the oven, leave them for 20 minutes in the oven, and then you have your cinnamon rolls. So I'll see you in 20 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you have finally been waiting for. Drum roll, please. We have got our cinnamon rolls and they look so good. We made the cinnamon rolls. Because I made the dough thin, I left them in and I had to leave them in for an extra 10 minutes. So they were in the oven for about 30 minutes, which is absolutely fine. It's not fine, you guys. Please, please, please leave the cinnamon rolls for 20 minutes in the oven. All we need to do is try them and see if they're good. So, ooh, okay. Let's go. It's so good. So with that is it for the video today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching me make cinnamon rolls, and hopefully you guys can take this recipe and make some cinnamon rolls yourself. It is definitely easy. I think the only thing that you kind of waste time on is just waiting for the dough to actually rise, but that's only like an hour. It's not like you're waiting for 24 hours anyways. So but that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.
To all the souls who can't be named, I hear your passion and feel your pain.